try explain. Tell me no why you're none fear stress my brain. Me hex them vex them still a text and still a try fi explain. See me pon the right gal, better take the left lane. Hex a try hex.
All right, people. All right. Whew. Let's see how you'll play today. Guess we'll see how Manchester United will be playing today. All right, so first let's start with the starting lineup. Today we have David De Gea, Dalot, Lindelof, Varane, Telles, Fred, McTominay, Fernandez, Greenwood, Elanga, and Cristiano Ronaldo. At the same time today, the female team will be playing as well. So because the Manchester United female team, let's see, we're not watching it live because typically we watch on Man Utd, but the senior team's playing today. So I guess probably can watch highlights maybe about 2 hours later, 3 hours later, who knows? But hopefully we can get a win today from them as well because it's playing against Arsenal. Arsenal, of course, is a big team, leading the league. So I'm hoping we can get a win today in the Conti Cup. So big win today. Big up to the Manchester United jersey. The big man, Marshall, no doubt, he's leaving. And it's not because Brentford is good. It's just that Manchester United is shit. Like, we've been playing shit for the past all season. Maybe the first 4 games we played well, but every time we win, it's just we get a buck-up win throughout. Just straight buck-up win. We can't get a decent, consistent win or a decent game where the team itself is performing well. It gets spurred 20 minutes, 30 minutes, half hour, not a full game where they're playing well and can consistently say, all right, we're dominate this team, but we'll win this game without a doubt. So it's not like this team is good. It's not like we're playing against a team that is good. It's just that Manchester United itself is just playing bad. And look at they're going to be playing bad for the rest of the season. They're getting some bug up win. And we need to go up on a streak because what? Maybe towards the end of the season, we have to go past Arsenal, Liverpool, Chelsea, Tottenham, West Ham. So many teams are ahead of us right now, and we need to feel better. I mean, we need to start scoring. Let's go. Let's go. Looking forward to seeing Ivan Tony playing as well, the Jamaican. Even though I would say, he hasn't made his mind up yet as to whether he want to play for Jamaica or not, because he has hopes of playing for England. But who knows? Who knows, fam? Who knows? It's still goalless against Arsenal, so that's a good point. David De Gea again to blood. David De Gea again. Had it not been for that man to blood, had it not been for David De Gea, can't believe we're so shitty. It make me start just thinking about this team, fam. You don't got anything for yourself now. Take him off and bring on Rashford, like right away. Don't even hesitate. Just take him off. We are absolutely lucky for the Nilal right now. Lucky as fuck for the Nilal. You'd explain that to me. Explain that much, say. It's a tool of Randa right now. God. Just say thank God. A tool of We under right now. Just so love. Pan Fred, look on blood clot Fred. Boy, me I tell you, me don't know. I can't, me don't know. Confuse your fuck. Confuse your fuck. But clot, get them. Get them, man, yo. Okay, mother. 4 minutes in, 1 minute left. Let's go. Let's go. Get them. At least the woman them a win. At least the woman them a blood clot win. I swear. Fucking swear. Yes. Yes. Good goal, boy. But clot. Good goal, man. About time. About fucking time. Good fucking goal, man. Goal, man. Good goal, man. Bumbuckler. Peaches. Good goal, man. Good goal, man. Fuck them. Great ball from Fred, you know. Uno. Go. 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 Yes! Fuck yes. Let's go. Fuck yes. Let's go. Fucking yes. Beat it. Beat it. Beat it. Yes. Need it, Runa. You need it, man. Take from it, man. You need it. Boy, and score, you know. Post over live on Tony. Be a fumble goal in Bumbo can't score.